So in recent months, low profile keyboards have become a bit more of the norm. You have things like the Logitech, the JLabs, or the Caesar with a built-in mousepad. Funny enough, there was actually low profile keyboards way before its time in 1988. But they all have one thing in common. They're bog standard. You can't upgrade them, you can't hot swap them, and you can't change the keycaps. But then obviously custom keyboards became more of a thing and more people wanted to do a DIY board. And that's why companies like Keychron come in, where they make hot swappable and changeable keycaps on a low profile. But again, that's very bog standard and there's not really much that you can do until now. Now you may have heard of this company before. This is Awekeys, and what they specialize in is fully recycled metal keycaps. But they've just taken an extra step and become the first ever fully low profile metal keycap set. This will be launching on Kickstarter, so there will be a link down below. I've had my hands on it now for a couple of weeks, and let me tell you, it's a chef's kiss from me. What I have in this case is the Lofi Flowlight 84 keycaps, which I will have a review coming out soon, but I did want to give it a little bit of a customization, and that's where the metal keycap set has come into play. This is probably the nicest looking colorway and feel I've ever had from a set of keycaps. Obviously this is a plastic body keyboard, so it was very light to begin with. These keycaps have given it a premium feeling with the weight, let alone the look. These are the copper keycaps. There are other colors which we'll get into, but for me, I feel like this is more of a rose gold. And with obviously the gold accents at the top here, it sort of just fits in super well. So before I do jump into the little clip of me setting this up and customizing the keyboard with sound clips and things like that, let's go over some of the specs of the keycaps and what you can expect from the company. So obviously with low profile mechanical keyboards getting a bit more trendier, like I said, with Keychron, Nerfy, Lofi, Logitech, Razer, and other brands out there all offering the low profile keyboards, there's always that problem of customizations being limited. Materials are basic and options are few. After months of market research, Awekeys realized the gap that clearly existed, so they decided to solve it with the Awekeys Air. It's the world's first low profile keycap set machined entirely from metal, made to bring the material quality, tactility and visual weight to a low profile space with that minimalistic touch. They are crafted from recycled metal, so each Awekeys Air low profile mechanical keycap is 50% thinner than your regular profile keycap. The keycap style is designed to be the same shape on every row with a flat uniform profile, slightly recreased center for more of a comfortable typing, and it does work great on mainstream, ergo and custom layouts. There's going to be 6 color options from gold, silver, copper, titanium black, obsidian black and ivory white, with 3 kitting options from an 80% base kit, 100% base kit with numpad, and a DIY kit with all 1U keys for custom builders. There's also 2 finishing options. You've got satin for more of a smooth surface and hard brush, which is going to be for a special edition. There's also 2 stem types with your classic MX, which is your mainstream keyboards, and a Choc V1 for custom and ergonomic boards. So there we have the keycaps themselves. Now I will mention the packaging will probably be different from when you actually get your keycaps, because this is a prototype. Same with the actual quality of the keycaps. Mine are a prototype series, so there may be inconsistencies or just little defects, which I haven't actually noticed any, which is a bonus because I absolutely love these. And now I kind of want all of my keyboards to have metal keycaps. With all that information, knowing when the Kickstarter starts, all the links in the description, and I'll leave you at the end of this video where I now set up this keyboard from plastic to metal, and you can hear the difference in what these keycaps do for this board. But other than that, a massive thank you to Awekeys, I hope I'm saying your name right, for sending this product out and let me try them out firsthand before the launch. I'm super excited to hopefully work with you again in the future. And other than that, ladies and gentlemen, capture, create, captivate, and I'll see you all in the next video.